What's going on, guys? I finished up the Hello Kitty rug. Here's how it looks. Kirby rug too. There we go. About to pack these up and ship them out. Alright, so I already packed up the Hello Kitty rug. Next up is this one. So we already packed up the Hello Kitty rug. Next up, we're just gonna pack up this Kirby one, and then we're just gonna ship it out. So let's get it done. Alright, we're just gonna tape it up now. Alright guys, just got both of them packed. I'm about to take it to the post office and ship out, so let's get going.